Hey guys, good evening everybody. This is Hanuman Nayak and welcome to our channel Smart Study. Now, IIT Physics and Maths combination of the Physics and Maths FA2 exam for the class number 10, 8 and 9. For three classes the paper is same. Right? Now see that questions. So I hope you guys are waiting for the answers. Yes? Now, without any delay we will start the questions. Now see that what is the question number 1? The question number 1, for the first question, there is a passage. The passage from 1 to 3, a force of 5 Newton is applied on a body of mass 500 grams at rest for 10 seconds. At rest for 10 seconds. The solution of this. So what I said to you before starting the question, you check it that your given problem is contain all the same units or not. That is very important. Before solving the question, entering in the question, we have to see the questions. This is the Newton is a what? SI unit. Now coming to here, grams. Gram is a what? CGS units. So first you convert this 500 into kgs, this grams into kgs. So that is become 500 by 1000, that is equal to how much guys? 0.5. This is equal to how much? 0.5 kgs. So your mass value is how much? 0.5 kgs. And here force F value is equal to how much? 5 newtons. Now you know for F value and mass value. Then it is the what? Time. They are giving again time also they are mentioned. So what is the use? Let's see that question. The question number 1, the acceleration of the body. We knows that formula F is equal to ma. Yes or no? F is equal to ma. In this problem, what is the F value? 5. Now is equal to m value is how much? 0.5. Here we have to find what? A. Now from this condition, can I solve the problem? 5 by 0.5, that is equal to, can I write this? 50 by 5. Yes or no? I hope you guys are know the simplification. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So my A value is how much? 10 meter per second square. So option number C is a correct answer for the question number 1. Then go for the question number 2. Then question number 2, the change of momentum of the body. What is the question number 2? The change in the momentum. What is the momentum formula? P is equal to m into v. Yes or no? P is equal to m into v. So here we knows that what? M value, but we don't know that v value. Yes or no? How to find that v? That is important. So for finding of v, we knows the data is a what? A value. Do you know that? Acceleration, do you know? Yes, just now only we found that a is equal to how much? 10. A is equal to how much guys? 10. Yes or no? In the question number 1. And we knows that time is equal to where, how much? 10 seconds, right? And we knows that acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity, that is velocity by time. Yes or no? Here from this condition, can I write a into t is equal to v? Yes or no? Yes. A value is a 10 and t value is also 10. 10 into 10 how much? 100. So my v value is how much? 100, right? Then come here, m value is how much? 0.5. M value 0.5 into 100, that is equal to how much? 50. The momentum, the change in the momentum how much? 50 is a correct answer. If you multiply 0.5 into 100, you will get this part is important in the question. That is called IIT. Then final velocity, that is the same. Velocity of the body. Velocity, we have to find the velocity. How much you got the velocity here? 100 or how much? In the previous, this question only. Your velocity how much? 100 na? So your answer is 100. That's the question. So if you solve the first question, that helps to the second question. If you got the correct answer for the second question, there is a no need to find that third question answer. Without pen and paper, you can see the simplification of the second one and you can write your answer. That's a IIT. This is the logic. So, those who are preparing for the IIT and IIT paper examiner, those who are conducting the preparation of the question paper for the IIT exam, they will think like this only. Then go for the question number 4. If the impulse of the body, what is the impulse? Impulse is nothing but momentum, guys. Impulse is nothing but momentum. Impulse is P is equal to m into v. We know the formula, right? This is a P. How much? Kg meter per second is a unit of what? Momentum. That is impulse. So they gave the P value, and this is the SI unit of kg. 5 kgs of mass. Kgs is the SI units. So this is m, and they are asking that what velocity of the body is how much. They are asking v value is how much. P 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. Option number D is the correct answer, right? Then go for the question number 5. If the velocity of the body increases 20%, then find the new momentum. Guys, this is the important. Actually basic formula is this, yes or no? Yes. And this v is increasing by how much? 20%. What I said to you, when the 20% is when the profit or loss topic, at that time I said to you, when the 20% increasing, 20% more, just write 120. Yes or no? This is m into here 120 by 100. Yes or no? Yes. Into v. 0 0 cancel. 2 6 are 2 5 are. So if you do the simplification of this, 6 by 5 m into v. If you write this in the first term, after that you can multiply a into b or b into a, both are same. Where is 6 by 5 into p? The option number B is the correct. Okay guys, then go for the next. Just wait it, I will zoom and show you. Yeah, the question number 6. The weight of the body on moon is always increase or decrease. Your g value in the earth is equal to how much? 10 meter per second square. Yes or no? Actually the exact value is 9.8. This exact value is how much? 9.8, but we are using a rounding number. The round figure number is how much? 10. And the earth, this is the value, but while going the moon, this value is increase or decrease, you have to tell. This is becomes g by 6. For example, here is a 10. If you write the 10 by 6, how much you guys? Here is a 1.4 means 6, 1.6. On earth the value is 9.8. On moon the value is how much? 1.6. So either increasing or decreasing, is obviously is a decreasing. So either equal to on moon? No. Is a less than? Yes. Greater than? No. Both 2 and 3? No. So your option B is the correct answer. Write it? Yes. Then go for the question number 7. The question number 7 is the mass of the body. So this is a mass, and see that while reading the problem only, this is a SI unit. Then rest on a table. Force is required to change the velocity. This is meter per second. So this is the v value, and time is this. How much force you are required? The force is equal to, we knows that, mass into acceleration. But they gave the acceleration value? No. Instead of acceleration, what they gave? Velocity and the time. Yes or no? And we knows that acceleration is equal to v by t. Yes or no? V value is how much? 5. And time value is how much? 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So here a value is a 1, m value is a 5. 5 into 1 is 5. Where is that? Option number 1 is the correct answer. Right? Then go for the next one. Find the force required to increase the speed of, this is kgs. Kgs means mass, and this is what? SI unit. Iron sphere from this is this many seconds to this many meter per second means velocity. Here increasing or decreasing? Velocity initially 2 meter per second, in the finally 5 meter per second. So in velocity increasing. How much change in velocity? 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 meter per second is a new velocity. And this is the time. They are asking the force. Same. Mass is 2 and v1, right? This is 3 by 2. 3 by 6. If this is the 3 and this is 6, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So here acceleration 1 by 2. If I write here 1 by 2 and here 2 gets cancelled, and my force value 1 Newton. That is option number 1 is the correct answer. right guys? So while you are seeing these answers, what is you are feeling? The problems are very easy, yes or no? But how you guys are thinking is important. The thinking power here is very important in this particular session. Find the momentum of 200 grams of rubber. So this is the what G value, CGS value. This is mass. So if you convert into the gram kgs, it will become 0.2. I hope you know that. Ball moving in the meter per second. This is the what meter per second. So here they are not mentioned any either velocity or nothing. So we have to depend on what meter per second. Meter per second is a unit of what velocity, right? Then they are asking that what momentum. Momentum P is equal to mass into velocity. Mass is 0.2 and velocity is 20 meter per second. 0.2 into 20 is how much? Here this is a 40 and this comes a point here. So 5 kg meter per second. 4 is where option number D is correct. 0.2 into 20 is how much? 4 only, if you know that. Yes, 0.5. How much guys? 0.5 or 2 means how much? Yes, that much only. 2 into 20, 40. Here 0.4 or 4.0 is the correct. Go for the next 10th one. Now tell me the answer. What is the unit of? So from the beginning onwards, are you waiting for this na? This type of question, sir? We want that what theory question. We don't want the what this session. That session is about what it called the theory question. Now your theory question. Okay, tell me that answer. What is the friction unit? Friction unit. Friction is nothing but force. Friction is nothing but force. What is the units of force? Newton. Here they are not mentioned either SI or CGS. If they are not mentioned, you just give the SI unit. Then go for the next. Now coming to the mathematics. The SI is 40% of the principal in 8 years at a certain rate of interest. Then find the rate of interest is how much, right? Here SI is equal to how much, you guys? PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Here they mention the P. No. They mention the T. No. 8 years and R value you have to find. 40% of P. SI is equal to. If you consider P is equal to P and SI is equal to how much, guys? SI is equal to 40% means 140 by, either you can write 40% by 40% means 40 by 100 into P, right? 0 0 cancel, 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 by 5. So my SI value is how much? 2 by 5 into P. Here write P is a P only. T value 8 and R value we have to find by 100. Yes or no? Yes. Then cancel it that. P gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 4s are. In 4 table 4 1s are 4 2s are and remain 2 4 5s are 25 and here 5 1s are 5 5s are. 5% is the correct answer. Where is that? Option number D is the correct. So I hope you guys are good in the calculations, right? Then go for the next one. Yes. At what rate of interest per annum is sum is double itself in 8 years? In how many years, guys? So this same problem I explained that. Rate of interest, they are not mentioned that either simple interest or compound interest. At that time, you know that SI is equal to TR. SI is equal to T into R. Here they are not mentioned the SI value. Like assume that this is 100 and T is how much? 8. R value is you have to find. 100 by 8, that is equal to 12.5. Important percentage values, right? Go for the next. At what rate of interest, the rate of percentage, a sum of 2000 amounts to this much in the simple interest. So initially this is the amount. After that this is how much the increasing? 662. That is the what? CI. Okay, and the rate of interest you have to find, and time value you knows that. Time value how much? 3 years. So you know the CI formula. Based on that you can do, guys. This is the homework. Tell me yourself the answer is, what is the answer? And a sum of money doubles in the CI. In the CI condition, if the formula is N1 minus is equal to N2 power N2 by T1. Yes or no? This is the formula. If you substitute that values in this, you will get the answer, right? And I think answer is 45. We already solved the same problem in the classroom. Yes. Then the next, yeah, and this question also we already completed in the classes yourself. The now tell me that again you came that the force of the C, what is the units of the force CGS units, guys? Newton is a not a answer because of his SI units. None is not a option. Out of these two, which one? Either erg or dyne. The dyne is correct answer. What is the answer? Dyne is the correct answer. The 1 Newton is equal to how many dynes? 10 to the power of 5 dynes. Option number D is the correct. Then, yes. Now tell me that answer for this question. Is also we already discussed it in the classroom. Now go for that. Yeah. And I think 8th class and 9th class students, they don't know that trigonometry. Yeah, this question for the trigonometry. Up to 18th question, the question paper is common for the 3 classes. And from the 19th question, the question paper for 10th class. Now, for this question, my solution is, option is B is the correct. Why, how, you have to tell. Right? For this question, here, secant 59 is equal to what? Secant. Who is the family of the secant? Cosecant. Yes or no? Here is the 59. In the cosecant, what is the value is equal to 31. 31. Cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31? 0. This much of easy trigonometry problems. The next one. And this question is common for the 3 classes. What is the rational number between that 1.2 and 1.2 and 1.3? Rational in between of what? Just add these two numbers. 1.3 by 2. The average of this number you will get 1.25 is the correct answer. Now simplify the answer of this question. What is the answer for this? Anybody knows that? Yes, just I am giving the simple chance to you guys because of you guys are good in this. So you tell me that answer. Then question number next. Here, tell me the HCF of, yes, if 10th class students have done this problem, that is shame, feel shame, guys, yourself, because of 8th can do this problem, same problem. So if the we knows that HCF and LCM, but coming to this case, what happens means when the problem is in the form of fraction, in the numerator is you find the HCF of what? Numerators, that is 2 comma 6 comma and 8, and the same for the denominator, do like this, HCF of LCM of denominators, that is 5, 25 and 35. If you find it, then you will get the answer 2 by 175 is the correct answer. First, what? Find the HCF of this LCM, write it numerator. For the denominator, these numbers are there for this 5, 25, 35. For this, find that LCM right here and divide it, you will get this answer. The similarly, now this is the problem for what? LCM. So in this case, what to do? When they are asking the LCM, your numerator should be the LCM. Numerators are what? 4, 5 and 9. These are the LCMs, and the denominators are what? 5, 6, 10. These are the what? HCF. Here HCF, and divide it, you will get the answer. Right? Answer is 180. Yes. Again, this problem for the class number 10, 10th class. If P of E is equal to 0.05, then what is the probability? Easy and simple problem. If E is not E, probability of E is not, then what is the solution? is equal to 1 minus P of E. Yes or no, guys? Yes. 1 minus P of E. That is equal to 1 minus P of E value is how much? 0.05. 1 minus 0.05 is how much? 0.95. Option number A is the correct answer. That much easy. So for this class, the one problem is contained 2 marks. For every problem, 2 marks. If everybody got the 25 out of 25, you will get 50. Now while you are watching the video, share your marks in the comment box. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.